What is happening, everybody? Derek here from DW Designs, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Love to have you guys part of the DW Designs team. With that, we are here today at a special place. We're at JBA Speed Shop in San Diego, and we got Jeff here. We did the air intake for his Dodge Ram truck, if you guys remember that. If you haven't, go ahead and go back to the previous videos and watch that. This is something special. We are going to be dynoing this to see how much extra horsepower this air intake actually produces. So it's going to be an exciting day. I'm excited. You excited?
Oh, I'm absolutely excited.
Absolutely.
It's a great day.
Yeah, it's going to be great. So, all right, guys, stay tuned.
Back in there for a frame of reference here.
I don't think you guys heard what he said because the microphone is not on him right now, but what he's saying is he's putting the stock one back in so that way we can get a baseline number before we put the air intake that we made in there, so we know exactly how much more horsepower it is creating.
Started it at 3,500 RPM up to about 5,600 RPM.
Yeah, about there.
And then it doesn't downshift if I'm going
If you leave
that
it on,
fast in third, right?
Right. And then if you leave it in third, it won't go past third.
Right.
Perfect.
So we should be good.
Here we go. All right, so he just gave it a test pull to see how it's doing, and then he's gonna run into doing the more precise measurements of everything with the stock air intake system on the car. Okay, so now we're going to be changing out the original air intake with the one that we made at our shop. We'll see how it does. It's getting more and more exciting by the minute. So hang tight, guys. We'll get you the numbers here pretty soon. So we got our air intake that we made on there, and now we're gonna dyno it. So let's see what the numbers are gonna be. You excited, Jeff?
Very excited.
Awesome. Okay guys, so update. We're letting the truck cool down for 20 minutes. We just now realized that we don't have 91 octane in the truck, so it's gonna produce a lot less than what we were expecting. But so far we are at 8 horsepower more than what the stock setup is, which is a significant jump compared to the plastic one that Jeff here had made before. Was only, what, 5?
First one was 5.
First one was 5. Okay, so 5, now it's 8. So a few horsepower more. But we'd really have to come back down here to see if it'll do even more with 91, because the last few times we ran on 91. So there is a big difference. With that, we're gonna let the truck still cool down, and then hopefully, high hopes, it'll produce more the second run. Cross our fingers.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a woman, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones. Ooh.
might lose it. Glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care. We like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live. Ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Ooh, said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band. Mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club where the Playboy does till they all get loose, loose. Out the bottle, we all get fit in again tomorrow. Gotta break rules, cause that's the motto.
All right, so the engine has been cooled down for 20 minutes and we're gonna do another pull here. And then we're gonna change the filter, the original filter, to a K&N filter to see if that makes a difference as well. Obviously, other than the fact that we're not running 91 octane. Cross your fingers and thumbs up.
That was the best one today so far.
Got a hangover like too much vodka. Can't see me with 10 binoculars. So cool, no doubt by the end of the night. Got the clothes coming off, then I make that move. Somehow, some way, gotta raise the roof.
23. And what was the panel?
Baby to the freak it shows. What happens to that body is a private show. Stays right here, private show. I like a mundane, don't talk that high pain. Tolerance bottoms up with the champagne. My life, come Muhammad, then we hit Spain. Too busy with the deal, we get insane.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, I took you home and we were home.
Okay guys, I'm in the truck already. The last pull, we ended up getting 8 more horsepower just by swapping out the air filter for a K&N. It's hard to see that, it's very reflective, but it's right there. That's a good sign, because knowing that we don't have 91, knowing that the K&N filter was switched out, we're gonna come back down here in a later date with 91, as well as we're gonna play with a bunch of different options as far as the air intake goes, like different types of filters. We will do a stock pull again with all that, so that way we make sure we got accurate numbers with 91 versus what we had in there already. With that, we're gonna head back, and then I'll see you guys back at the shop. We are back here at my shop with Jeff, and we did some review on the paperwork, and it's actually 16 horsepower at the crank and 11 horsepower at the wheel more with this air intake setup, with the K&N filter, the Spectre filter, which we're probably going to change out for a K&N filter later on down the road, so that way we get more of an even baseline. All in all, that's pretty good, ain't it, Jeff?
It is pretty good. It's on 89 octane.
Yeah, it's on 89 instead of 90, so that's definitely a good achievement. So the other thing that we did today is I will post videos, and this video is going to be posted way in the future, so there's already a video up with the exhaust cutout that we installed today, which sounds absolutely mean when you open it up on this thing, doesn't it?
Oh, it's great.
So,
Makes man happy.
Absolutely. So we're going to be taking some video of that and posting it very soon, so that way everybody can check it out. All right, guys. Well, that concludes today's video. If you guys like it, do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you part of the DW Designs team. And with that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.